is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. As always, this is about to be a long video, so grab your pinkity drinkities. Hey guys, so today I have a new background, and also I'm going to start telling you guys one fun fact about me each video. So today I'm going to do 3 because I forgot to do the last 2 videos. So today, let's see, a fun fact about me is I've been in a wheelchair since I was 4. That's when I got my first wheelchair. And I was born with congenital muscular dystrophy, which means the protein that surrounds my muscles, my body doesn't produce enough of it. So I've been in a wheelchair my whole life. But that doesn't stop me from doing anything. I love going to concerts. That's another fun fact about me. I love music, pop music, stuff like that. Another thing is, let's see. Ooh, I love kids. I love working with kids. It's really fun for me. Okay, another fun fact about me is I love kids, especially young girls. I think it is so important that we help our youth and help them, grow and prosper into young adults. Okay, so today's look, I'm going to be doing a cat eye, so it's going to be kind of more of a dramatic, like, nighttime look. So if you're not into those, then I suggest just watching one of my other videos, or hey, stick around, you might learn something new. Alright, so first step, I'm going to go in, instead of using foundation, I don't really feel like it today, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics CC cream, and CC stands for color correcting. So I have a redness on my face, and some other people have different skin color discolorations, but I just have redness. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm in the shade Fair, so I'm just going to put it all over my face. Alright, so now that I got the foundation all even and on, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M536 brush, and I'm going to just set it with powder. And even though this isn't foundation, I still like to set it just to make sure my face doesn't get oily or anything, because like I said, I have oily skin. If you don't have oily skin, then just skip this step. But I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier, I never say it right, powder, and just go all over my face and just set it. Okay, so now that I have my powder on, in order to get your makeup with the CC cream to last all day and it not to look cakey after you put the powder on, I take the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, and I'm going to have my lovely videographer spray my face for me. One more time. Thank you. Okay, so now that I did that, the reason I did that is because I want to make sure that the powder doesn't look like, well, powdery on my face and look cakey, and it just sets everything in and kind of blends everything together, kind of like a cake. We're literally baking here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and just bronze my face up a little bit and add some bronzer, obviously. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzing palette, and it has highlighter in it too. So I'm going to go in with that. I go in with the lightest and the darkest, and I kind of just mix them together, and then I would just blow it off. And I'm going to be going in with my Morphe R14 brush. And so when you contour, you got to go here and just go up. That's why I always start out. They say to do a 3. I like to just start here and then like do the 3. Because I want to make sure it gets like blended in, okay, before I just randomly start doing the rest. Okay, so I'm going to do highlight next. I'm going to go in with the Morphe R36 brush. This is the one I always use for highlight just because it's the easiest. So I'm still going to use this palette because it has the it has highlighters in it too. So I'm just going to use these because I don't want a blinding highlighter today. I just kind of want to, what they call glow within or whatever. So I'm just going to do that. that glow. Okay, so before I start my eyes, I'm gonna go in with and do my brows. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and it's just black. So yeah, I'm gonna make my brows thicker. Alright, now for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. And Painterly? I don't know. I'm gonna go with the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just gonna put a bunch on there, and then I'm going to prime my eyes with it. So, alright, now I'm gonna start in on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe R39 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. You can take any kind of fluffy brush you want. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay On The Go palette just for the mirror, but I'm actually using the Morphe 35F palette. So I'm gonna be like kind of leaning down just looking at it. The color, I'm gonna go in, none of these colors have names, so I'm just gonna go in with like a light brown. So if you have a light brown, go in with your light brown to do this cat eye. So I'm gonna start in the corner and just kind of work my way into the crease. And I'm packing it, so I get the color pigmentation more, whatever. Okay, so now that I blended in the light brown with the darker brown in the crease and kind of made the shadow effect, I'm going to go in with the Stila Liquid Glitter. It is in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just going to take it and, hang on, gotta open it. Alright, and then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to go in with it right here, just so it kind of looks like it fades in to the darker brown. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay On The Run palette, and I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna like add a little bit of this darker like brown color right here. It's called Confidential, and I'm gonna go under my eye with it, and I'm just gonna add this under my eye before we add the eyeliner. And you just want to rub like it in kind of when you pat it on, so it just blends it out at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna go in under my eye and add a little bit of black just to kind of so it blends in with the eyeliner when we do the wing on the top eye. And I will be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the winged eyeliner, and this is the Tarte Precision Longwear Liner. So I like this the best just because it's kind of like a marker. So I always start here, and you want to go up on your eye like this. And then you just go over and connect it. And that's it. Alright, now that I got the wings on, I'm going to go in with the shade called Switchback in the Urban Decay On The Go palette. And I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And it just gives them a little pop. Alright, so now I'm going to go with mascara. I'm going to use the Real by Benefit. This is my favorite mascara. And I just go up with it like this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade Diva by ColourPop Cosmetics. It's a gloss. It is one of my favorite glosses to finish off this look. So I started putting on this shade and forgot to say what it's called. So this is the shade Queen by ColourPop Cosmetics. And now I'm going to put it on once again. now for the last step, we are going to spray my face with the hard candy setting spray. That always scares me. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what videos you would like to see from me next. And as always, thanks for rolling with me. Okay, so next I'm going to do highlight. I just poked myself in the eye. Okay, so I'm going to do highlight. Next on the Weather Channel.